Have you ever wondered why some people remain broke? Even when they earn good money? Even when they try to save? Even when they know better? Here's the truth. The habits keeping most people poor aren't dramatic. They aren't huge. They aren't obvious. Instead, they're tiny, daily, and so familiar that your brain completely ignores them. This is exactly what this stratagem describes. The most destructive actions hide in plain sight, so normal that no one notices the danger. Today I'll show you the invisible money habits quietly keeping you poor, and how to break them using ancient strategy. Most people don't know where their money actually goes. They guess, they assume, they feel like they're doing okay. But here's the painful truth. If you don't track your money, you are guaranteed to stay poor. Small purchases add up. Subscriptions add up. Food spending adds up. Impulse buying adds up. But because these are daily, familiar routines, your brain no longer sees them. This is the #1 invisible wealth killer. A $5 coffee, $12 lunch, a $3 snack, a $4 soda. Each one feels harmless, and that's why they destroy your finances. You don't feel the pain of losing $5. But losing $5 every day? That's $150 a month, $1,800 a year, $18,000 in 10 years. The danger is invisible because the amounts are small. When the threat is tiny, it slips past your defenses. Subscription companies are masters of this stratagem. They hide in plain sight. $5 here, $8 there, $12 for something you haven't used in months. They quietly cross into your monthly expenses without your awareness. Most people are subscribed to at least 10 to 15 services they don't even use. It's the perfect modern example of this ancient strategy, the enemy that hides inside your daily routine. Here's one of the most dangerous invisible habits. Lifestyle inflation. You earn more, you spend more. Your income rises, your lifestyle rises. Everything feels normal, so you don't notice the trap. Suddenly, your new salary disappears the same way your old salary did. Your brain doesn't recognize this as danger, because the changes are small, familiar, comfortable. That's how people earn more yet stay broke forever. The rich invest first and spend what's left. The poor spend first and save what's left, which is usually nothing. Paying yourself first is obvious, so obvious that most people ignore it. But this is the simplest wealth-building trick ever discovered. Set aside money automatically, before you're tempted to spend it. Here's how you dismantle these invisible habits. 1. Track every expense for 30 days. Awareness kills invisibility. 2. Cut small leaks. Cancel subscriptions. Reduce tiny daily purchases. 3. Automate saving and investing. Take emotion out of the game. 4. Freeze lifestyle creep. Your income grows. Your lifestyle doesn't. 5. Build a simple money system. Organization defeats chaos. You beat hidden dangers by bringing them into the light. Money habits don't destroy you all at once. They destroy you silently, slowly, quietly, in ways you no longer notice. The stratagem shows us what hides in plain sight can cause the biggest damage. But here's the good news. The moment you see these habits, you can finally change them. And once you change them, your financial life transforms completely. Shine a light on your invisible habits. Break the patterns holding you back, and watch your financial future become brighter than ever.